Why do you look younger than me? You look like Ariana Grande and I look like her mom or her grandma. Her grandma's pretty dope though. Hey guys, it's Deepica and I am so excited because I have my very dear friend Ami here.
Hi.
We have done videos together in the past. I'll link to them down below in case you guys want to check them out. But Ami is a momtrepreneur.
I've never heard the mom tub, but mompreneur, yeah.
Oh.
But I like...
I'm so not a mom that I don't even know what they call themselves. She's also an incredible like MUA / hairstylist in general. So today we talked about what kind of collab we could do together. Ami was really excited about doing like summer glow, right?
Yeah, summer glow, but also something that is very budget friendly.
Just like a pretty summer glow look and all with drugstore products.
Yes,
so
exactly.
super affordable, and I'm excited what you do to me, even though I have no plans but the gym after this.
Whatever.
Why isn't there a date after this?
We can make that happen.
I don't need to. I'm over it. I don't need no man. All right,
So
where are we
let's get
beginning?
started. So you obviously have a very bare face right now. You just moisturized, and we moisturized with NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost.
She's eating gummy bears.
Sorry. So I'm gonna go in with like an oil elixir. Let me just finish that gummy bear. There's a big misconception that like if you put oil on your face before you put on your makeup, that it's just gonna make your face more oily. It's true and not true. So especially in the summertime, your skin is really dry, so you wanna keep it hydrated. So I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Bright Booster, and this is an oil elixir. You just wanna take like 2 or 3 drops. Now I actually learned this by watching Namvo. You just wanna kind of make it really hot in your hands, and then you wanna just pat it into your skin. And this is just going to help kind of be the base for that really nice glowy look. And then here's something else that she said, which I thought was brilliant. You want to take like a ply of tissue. We're gonna blot it just like you would your lips if you have like a lip gloss. So this is going to give you the benefits of the oil elixir, but without being shiny. Especially if you have oily skin. It's smart, right? I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation, and we're gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow.
It's 209. I'm usually 208, but it's summer.
Yeah. And here's a little trick. I'm gonna go in with the True Match Glotion from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna mix that together, and it just dilutes that foundation just a little bit. I like dotting it on her face too for something like this because it's going to help make sure that I get a nice even distribution. The skin is the star of the show here. And make sure you get down to the neck always, especially because like Deepica was saying, she's a little darker right now in the summertime.
I've been like low-key tanning, trying to piss off my parents or something. They wish I was as fair and lovely like her.
Very lovely, not even. Okay, so to correct and conceal her under eyes, we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm taking 2 different colors. What I love about this line is that we were actually able to find a color that works as a corrector, because it has like that really nice peach undertone.
What shade is this?
So this one is the shade 6 Sun Beige that we're gonna use as a corrector. You wanna just focus on the areas that you need the extra coverage. So I'm gonna do it around the mouth. I'm gonna take whatever's left over and put it on your lid too. And I'm going to pat that in, and then we're gonna use shade 4 Natural Beige as your concealer.
It's really hard to find a drugstore concealer.
Yeah, we thought we'd try this and just see how it works out. Okay, so the other reason I really like this concealer though is that it's not your standard super thick coverage, which I like because in the summer, we're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna go places, and if you have dark circles, if you have pigmentation, you're gonna see it. So it's fine. But we're just covering what we want to, and I think this does a really good job with that. Okay, so now for brows, we are gonna go in with the Brow Stylist Boost and Set. I have not tried this one.
I use it a lot, but it is gonna be more intense. It has color and a brow gel in it.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot. You have to have a light hand.
Actually, what I would do here is I would take this and just run it through like a makeup wipe, so that way you don't have too much. But I do like it. As soon as you get a hang of it, this works nice.
The brush on it, it's good.
Yeah, I like it when it kind of has that fanned up look right now, and you have the perfect setting for that. It's like so that throwback 90s supermodel brow, but some people don't like it.
Someone told me the other day, because I've been growing out my brows for like 6 months, and they're like, I think you really need to go get your brows done.
I don't know, I think it's very much that supermodel look.
A little bit of spoolie in my life.
Spoolie.
I don't know. Ew.
Sure your brushes are clean, people?
Yeah.
So now we are going to set your under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in medium, just a little bit, and I'm just going to press into the under eyes, and that's the only place I wanna set, because everywhere else I really wanna have that glow. Okay, now we are going to amp up your eyes with a lot of glowiness. We're gonna use this palette from E.L.F.
What's it called?
It's like an E.L.F. blush palette, but I use it as like your eyes.
I also discovered this from her. Every color looks good on me, and they're so pigmented.
And I'm gonna take just like this one right here. It's just like a nice rusty color.
Honestly, out of everything she's talked about today, if there's one thing you're gonna invest in, it's this blush palette. It's epic.
And it's under $5.
And I usually don't like E.L.F. I'm not team E.L.F. and I like this.
I really just like a blended look. So you can even use your finger for this, but I'm just going to go in and do a really all over lid.
You always attack my eye.
Always attack your eye. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer to that. And so for that, we're gonna go in with the NYX Warm Neutrals palette. I'm gonna mix these two shimmers right here. So I'm just adding the shimmer right pretty much in the center of her lid. Like, she has the best lids to do shadow on. I always love using my finger. I think it works the best. So it's just a really pretty sunsetty look. I love it. We're going to play that up a little bit with some gold.
Ooh.
So this is from Maybelline, and this is Lasting Drama. It's a waterproof gel, but you can see it's just like a nice gold.
Maybelline has such pigmented brown girl friendly products.
I know. I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of your eye, and I'm just again gonna use my finger. Finger makeup is great because it's something that you can use on the go.
This could even be an eyeshadow.
That's actually another good trick, to use your eyeliner as shadow during summer months when it's really hot. And then I'm gonna actually line your waterline with the same color, and it's gonna make it pop so much.
I hope the sound isn't fuzzy. We have 2 fans on because it is like 90 degrees.
Take the same color that we used from the e.l.f. palette. I just love smoking out the bottom lash line. And it's actually a great hack for tired eyes.
If you do it right, because otherwise I feel like you just look darker.
I also think people just aren't used to it on themselves, you know? So sometimes that could be it. We're gonna do some falsies. So here's how I like to apply it. I always curl lashes first, put a little bit of mascara, nothing crazy, but that's gonna be almost like your hairspray before you tease your hair. And then we'll put on lashes, and I'm gonna do the Ardell Wispies. But what I'm gonna do here is, rather than put on the full strip, I'm going to cut them in half. And so I'm gonna like stack it on top of each other, so it kind of looks more like natural. So put a super light layer of mascara on. This is just a great way to help make your falsies look like they're more a part of your natural lash.
Okay, so now the lashes are on.
All right, so the lashes are on. And now what I'm gonna do is, this is just a little trick. I'm gonna take a little brown eyeliner. This is Maybelline Define-A-Line. I always like to line the upper waterline. It's going to help make the lashes look really cohesive.
Tight line.
Yeah, exactly. And it just kind of makes it look really nice. And this is in brown black because I don't want this look to be heavy liner-ish. With contour, I'm gonna do a powdered contour. So I'm gonna take the Bixie. I'm gonna take the Bixie, and this is her little brush that goes with it. So I'm gonna take this color. So I'm gonna just start right at the hairline almost, and I like to kind of go down. That's the only time I like to go down, because always you wanna go upwards, like an upward strokes. But to create that line, smile just a little bit. Right under there is where you wanna do like that contour line. You already have a great nose. It just has like nice definition right there. And then I'm just gonna take the other side, and I'm gonna take this lighter color right here, which has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm gonna basically use that over. It's gonna help diffuse the harsh lines, but it's also gonna give you this nice bronze veil, which I love. Just a little bit of shimmer. Also, the other bronzer that I absolutely love is my Milani Baked Soleil. That's what I use all the time.
She introduced it to me and it works great on me too.
And it's amazing because it works on both of our skin tones really well. So for this one, and this is where I would go ahead and put it all over the face. It makes you look really sun-kissed and glowy. There's always this misconception that brown girls should not bronze. So not true, right?
Love a bronze look.
You look so good. You look so fresh and glowy. And I feel like our skin can sometimes look sallow, so this is perfect for that.
Can we put a lip on me before we do the other stuff?
Yeah. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal palette. I love it. It's nudes. These are like my colors. I wanna see if they'll look good on you.
I think they will. I've used it.
The darkest shade right here. It's like a lipstick gloss. It feels like a gloss, but it's so pigmented like a lipstick. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of cream blush because I feel like that's gonna give you that nice glow too. On this beauty, and this is in the color Peony Pink. It's really pretty. You wanna basically start like smile just a little bit, right at that little part right there, and then work your way up. If brown girls could flush, this would be your natural flush color. It's so beautiful.
Christopher Buckle told me without blush, you look like a thumb. That's how he said it. You look like a thumb.
Pretty. Okay, but now we're gonna set that, just like we set everything else. But what we're gonna set it with is more highlighter.
Yes!
So I'm gonna do the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold. This is so good. It's like one of my absolute top 10 faves. A little of this goes a long way, but I'm gonna use that right above the blush, but OMG.
Come through, glow.
Look at that. And for this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit like the upper brow bone and the cheek. And I like to hit the right of the ball of the nose, Cupid's bow, the chin. So right now we have your highlight on, and it's really pretty. Like, you look like a bronze goddess right now, but we're just gonna elevate that a little bit.
Let's get to the glow. Yes, that's a little much. Hello.
You're gonna take a damp beauty blender. You're going to spray directly on it. I'm taking the Glow Mist from Pixie, dampen that really well. So now I'm dipping it in here. And this is a great trick for your body. Like if we did it right here. Let's just overboard on the highlighter.
Wow, I do look so dewy dumplingy.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this color in the collection to give you a little bit more of that blush.
I actually think the pink blush in this is really good for my skin.
We are just going to take a little bit of the Pixie Glow Mist and we're just gonna spray that. So we set it, give it a second to dry, and then you're good to go. That's it.
I look really glowy and pretty.
Right? But there you go, done.
That is the final look, guys. I hope you guys love it. Thanks, Ami, for being on my channel. You need to come more. Bring your daughter next time or you're not welcome. Thanks. And you guys have to check out the collab we did on her channel. Link is down below. And follow Ami. All the info is down below also. And let us know what you want to see us do next time. But thanks for doing my face for the gym. Hope you guys like this.
You do look like you have that nice golden
Dewy, that's true.
glisten,
That's true.
from working out, so you could just pretend that you worked out.
Let's go eat before I do that. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.